Did you know that eating pork could expose you to dangerous parasites? When pork is not cooked thoroughly, it can contain parasitic worms, like Trichinella.
Pigs can carry these parasites, which can infect humans if consumed undercooked.
The parasite enters the human body and burrows into the muscles, causing serious health issues.
Trichinosis is a disease caused by these worms, which can cause nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea.
Once inside, the parasites can remain in the body for years, affecting your muscles and nervous system.
Symptoms include muscle pain, weakness, and swelling. All signs of a serious infection.
Improper cooking can also lead to other infections, such as tapeworms, which can affect your digestive system.
Tapeworms are another dangerous parasite commonly found in pork, and they can grow up to several meters long.
Tapeworms may not show immediate symptoms, but over time they can cause malnutrition and digestive problems.
Poor farming conditions can increase the risk of contamination in pork, making it even more dangerous.
While pork is a common food in many cultures, it's essential to cook it thoroughly to avoid these health risks.
Take extra care when consuming pork to ensure it's cooked to the proper temperature to kill any harmful parasites.
Properly cooking pork to at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit ensures it's safe for consumption and free from harmful worms and parasites.
Stay safe and informed about the risks of eating undercooked pork, and always cook your meat thoroughly for your health.